Join me as I try to figure out if that guy secretly likes me. I'm going to put all the signs to the test. Imagine this. You walk into a room, heart pounding, eyes scanning the crowd until they land on him, the boy who unknowingly holds the power to make your stomach flip. He laughs at something his friend says, and you wish just for a moment that the joke had come from you. What if I told you there's a way to make him notice you, not just as another face in the crowd, but as someone he can't stop thinking about? Not with tricks, not with games, but with something far more powerful, understanding what truly makes a boy like you. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to his heart. Before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I create videos to help you understand the secrets of attraction, relationships, and confidence. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on what's coming next. The journey begins. Let's start with a story. Meet Emily. She wasn't the loudest girl in the room, nor the one who effortlessly commanded attention. But there was one boy, Jake, who she couldn't get out of her mind. He was charming, kind, and completely oblivious to the way she felt. So, what did she do? She made the same mistake most girls make. She tried too hard. She laughed a little too much at his jokes, agreed with everything he said, and was always available, hoping that one day he'd wake up and realize she was the one. But it never happened. What Emily didn't know was that attraction isn't built through desperation. It's built through mystery, confidence, and authenticity. Let's break this down so you don't make the same mistake. Step 1. The power of mystery. Have you ever noticed that people are drawn to those they can't quite figure out? There's something intoxicating about a person who doesn't reveal everything all at once. Boys are wired the same way. When you make yourself too predictable, always texting first, always eager to please, you remove the sense of curiosity that makes attraction grow. Instead, take a step back. Give him space to wonder about you. Be present but not always available. Let him feel your absence so he can start to miss you. How to cultivate mystery. Keep parts of your life private. Don't share everything up front. Be slightly unpredictable in your conversations and actions. Let him ask questions about you instead of volunteering all your details. Avoid being too eager. Sometimes let him initiate the next interaction. Spend time with others. Develop a life outside of him. Keep social media intriguing but not overly revealing. Step 2. Confidence is magnetic. Here's the thing. Boys like girls who like themselves. It's not about being the prettiest, the smartest, or the most popular. It's about knowing your worth and carrying yourself with confidence. Emily learned this the hard way. When she finally stopped trying to be what she thought Jake wanted and started focusing on becoming her best self, something strange happened. He started noticing her. Confidence is attractive because it signals that you bring value into any space you enter. Work on yourself, your passions, your interests. A boy will be drawn to the light you create when you're genuinely happy with yourself. Building your confidence. Find something you're passionate about and master it. Practice good posture and eye contact to exude confidence. Work on your inner dialogue. Replace self-doubt with self-affirmations. Dress in a way that makes you feel good, not just what you think he'd like. Develop skills and talents that make you feel proud. Set personal goals and achieve them to build self-esteem. Step 3. Emotional connection. Over surface-level attraction, looks can only get you so far. If you really want a boy to like you, you need to connect with him on a deeper level. This means listening, not just to his words, but to what's beneath them. Ask him questions that make him think. Share your own stories in a way that lets him see who you really are. Vulnerability, when done right, builds intimacy, and intimacy leads to attraction. Questions to ask to build emotional connection. What's something you've always wanted to do but never had the chance? What's a memory from your childhood that shaped who you are today? If you could have dinner with anyone, dead or alive, who would it be and why? What's one thing you've never told anyone before? What's your biggest dream in life? What kind of legacy do you want to leave? What makes you happiest? Step 4. Be playful. Not clingy boys love a challenge. This doesn't mean you should play mind games, but it does mean you should have fun. Tease him in a light-hearted way. Be unpredictable. Keep interactions exciting so he never quite knows what's coming next. It keeps things fresh and engaging, making him crave your presence rather than feeling like it's just another routine conversation. How to be playful. Light teasing, but not in a mean way. Playfully challenging him to a friendly competition, sending a funny meme that reminds you of him, giving him a fun nickname, engaging in friendly debates or banter, creating inside jokes between the two of you. Step 5. The art of leaving him wanting more. One of the biggest mistakes Emily made was always sticking around too long. She'd linger after conversations, text paragraphs when a simple response would do, and always be the last one to say goodnight. Attraction thrives on anticipation. Sometimes leave the conversation when things are still interesting. End a text thread before he's ready. This small shift makes him look forward to the next time he gets to talk to you. Ways to leave him wanting more. Cut conversations short when they're still fun. Take longer to reply to texts sometimes, and an interaction on a high note. Avoid over-explaining yourself. Leave room for curiosity. Be busy with your own life so he has to work for your time. Every boy is different, but there are some universal truths when it comes to attraction. Most guys want to feel like they are valued and admired, but they also enjoy a bit of mystery. They like the thrill of the chase, but they also crave emotional safety. Balancing both is key. Signs. He's starting to like you. He starts initiating conversations more often. He remembers small details about you. He teases you playfully. He tries to impress you, even in small ways. He mirrors your actions subconsciously. He finds excuses to be around you. His friends know about you before you tell them. So let's recap. Mystery, confidence, emotional connection, playfulness, and the art of leaving him wanting more. Emily eventually mastered these things, and Jake, well, let's just say he started seeing her in a whole new light. And you can do the same. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. What's one thing you've done to get a guy's attention? And if you want more deep dive videos into the psychology of attraction, subscribe now. I'll see you in the next one.